Welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at NewsRamp.com. It's Monday morning, November 3rd, 2025, and we have a lineup of finance headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Investor news breaks. ECGI Holdings Inc., OTC, signs $30 million LOI to acquire licensed mortgage lender RezyFi. ECGI Holdings Inc., trading on the OTC under the ticker symbol ECGI, has signed a binding letter of intent to acquire RezyFi Inc., a licensed mortgage lender operating in 29 states. The stock-for-stock deal is valued at around $30 million, making RezyFi a wholly owned subsidiary of ECGI post-due diligence and definitive agreement execution. This move marks ECGI's strategic foray into financial technology, blending AI-driven loan processing and blockchain-enabled fractional mortgage investing to streamline lending and broaden investor access to real estate-backed products. For more information, visit ECGI's newsroom. ECGI Holdings, Inc. focuses on developing innovative, technology-driven businesses with sustainable revenue models in sectors like AI, fintech, fashion tech, and experiential hospitality. Through strategic investments and partnerships, ECGI aims to leverage emerging technologies for accelerated growth and increased market visibility.
Wendy's names Chase McClung as leader of transaction advisory services. Wendy's, a premier advisory and accounting firm, has appointed Chase McClung, audit and assurance services partner, to lead its transaction advisory services practice. The practice offers a holistic approach to help business owners and executives grow, transition, and preserve value. With 10 years of experience, Chase is dedicated to assisting business owners achieve successful exits. Wendy's transaction advisory services provide insight on mergers and acquisitions strategy, value acceleration, and exit planning. Chase's leadership ensures clients receive integrated support for their business journey. The services include mergers and acquisitions strategy, value acceleration and exit planning, and wealth management integration. To learn more about how Wendy's can support your business growth and transition goals, visit windys.com. FWD Group reports strong new business growth. FWD Group Holdings Limited announced strong new business growth, with new business sales up 37% to $1.935 billion for the 9 months ended September 30th, 2025. Strategic capital management actions reduced leverage to 21.8% and lowered financing costs by approximately $72 million. The group introduced over 40 new products in 2025 to meet evolving customer needs. CEO Huyen Thanh Phong highlighted organic growth across Asian markets and the positive impact on shareholder value. Strong demand in Hong Kong, SAR, Macau, SAR, Singapore, Malaysia, the Philippines, and Indonesia drove double-digit growth. In Japan, solid performance in protection and savings markets led to new business sales growth. The low interest rate environment impacted new business indicators in Thailand and Cambodia.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.